Hi, you're watching Investor Insights, and in this video I just want to discuss how to increase GDP. This just occurred to me very recently. If the governments out there, governments like the American government or our own politicians here in Australia, want GDP to be a nice number, it doesn't take much. You don't even have to fudge the numbers. All you got to do is stimulate inflation. Or let inflation run. And if you want to encourage it, keep on lowering rates. Because when inflation runs 20%, then in theory, your GDP is going to increase at least 15-20%. That's going to look good, doesn't it? Except that the people will be broke. People will have no money to spend because the money that they have has no purchasing power whatsoever. So if the American government or the Bureau of Statistics over there wants to lie about GDP by using methodology which is just ridiculous. I made a video about incorporating R&D and booking future contracts as part of GDP. What a lot of bull dust. They don't need to go and lie and fudge their numbers. They just need to put inflation, to spike inflation. They're doing a pretty good job of that now. So it shouldn't take too much to have GDP of 10% or 20%. Just let inflation run.